My name is Greg Harold, and I live in Central Florida, just about a half an hour away from the theme parks. So I function on Northeastern Central Time. I graduated from New York University with a communication studies degree in May of 2004. So it's my first semester at University of New England. I'm currently an Associate Director of Marketing and Sales at Elder Care Resources, Boston. I sell online advertising space to doctors, nurses, and providers to the elderly. My initial work was in higher education when I was in my 20s. I worked for Landmark College, which is one of 2 colleges in the country that exclusively focuses on teaching students with diagnosed learning disabilities, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and autism. Landmark is located in southeastern Vermont, and during my time there, I served as Associate Director of Admissions and a Transfer Services Advisor. While I was there, I gained an interest in working with people with disabilities. I love to ski, but I haven't been an avid skier since I moved to the south. I typically skied in the Northeast, which is quite icy, and New England, but was fortunate enough to ski out west. I skied in anywhere from Colorado, California, British Columbia, and Europe. In addition, to skiing, I enjoy trying to golf. As many of you know, Florida is a haven for golfers, even for those who take as many shots as 5 shots to get out of a sand bunker. I'm excited that University of New England will provide me the appropriate course of study to understand the inner workings of social work administration so that I can continue forward in my social justice initiatives and helping those with debilitating conditions.